Hey guys, we'll be back again with OSP Pro in this new video on node.js. In this video simply I'm going to show you, my friends, how can we actually happen to give comments in our programs, in the console program in CMD with node.js. This is it. Just let us go to our platform. I'm going to just show you some stuff here within our program. If I just use this simple example, if I have maybe a, or let me just use the variables I've been using initially, z equals to maybe 2 or 3, and that's it. It will, when I happen to say console, I'm just going I'm showing you and I'm testing for the program. If I say console z, trust me, I believe the program will print for me what I declared as a variable, which is now 3, where variable x equals to 3. So if I happen to say now I'm using my point here is about comments. Now, what are comments? Comments, this refers to codes or statements, source codes written by a programmer, which will only be seen and which will only remain on the source codes and will not be printed out on the screen by the time when it is happening to be called. Okay, so the compiler will not sense it, will not see it by the time when it's actually computing out the results. I just going to give example. There are two types of comments that we have in node.js. One is single line comment. What is it? You give 2// just like guys in Java, C, C++, JavaScript, PHP, the same. Actually, this is a single line comment. It affects only one line. That's what I'll tell you here. You get. So give assumption I'm going to use that single line comment. If I declare a variable like we said, maybe give assumption is y and say y equals to maybe 6. If I happen to come here and say console for me, there is the console for me 6, which y, you'll discover that it's going to tell us that y is undefined, or mean y the reference is an error. Why in that case? Y is not defined. That's what I'll simply say in this case here. Why? Yet we define it. Now the reason is because the compiler cannot now see that y is present there because it was already given as a comment. That's what I'll simply say in this program here. So to not see y. So give assumption also. I'm going to give you another type of comment which is called is multiple line comment. Now with multiple line you give the / and then with asterisk or the multiplication sign. Now this is a multiple line. This is a multiple line comment. It affects I'll just say it affects many lines. Yes, in a program. I'm just going to be seeing a program. That's it. That's a multiple line comment, and always end it with the asterisk like that. So that's how we write our multiple line comment. Give assumption. If I have this program and I say maybe the program is this, maybe I declare my variable here I declare my variable char and I say maybe a equals to having 3 and my y, actually declare another variable here maybe, and maybe b is equal to having maybe 2, something like that. Remember, all of them are comments. You get, they're inside a comment statement and under multiple line comments. So if I happen to come in and end this program here, and maybe I just happen to come down in my program and I try to console it out, if I just happen to say maybe give assumption I'm calling for a in this case. So if I try to do so, you'll discover that the same applies to b. If you happen to come and call for b, it will all do for us the same thing. Now what am I trying to mean here in this case? That comments, this is a statement written by programmer to enable him maybe know how the channel, how the program will flow, but will not be printed down on the screen when the function is happening to be called. So that's what simply, friends, I'll happen to let you know how to write comments in node.js using CMD, and also what are comments and how do we use them in a program. I give assumption maybe I don't want that line of code to this lines of codes the variables are declared to be executed out. So I'll have to call for a comment to inform the programs. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP. I love you guys. Thank you.